Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 193 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we got.
Super rare.
Super rare. 50 power points.
Rare.
2 rare. 25 power points.
Epic.
It's an epic. Okay, Daryl spray. It's pretty cool. Enjoy playing Daryl. Looks like we have Unicorn Knight Barley for 50% off.
Ready for another?
And I'm pretty sure you can get a set of Star Drops, but if you guys wanted that one, for daily freebies, we have 15 coins and 60 XP doublers. I don't believe much has changed since yesterday. We should be expecting the Star Tune Challenge tomorrow. So, as of today, I have 1,246 XP doublers and 20,069 power points. Again, just waiting for that XP cap to be at any time soon, because I really just don't need this many power points. I don't know why they thought this was a good idea, but yeah, let's see how far I can take this.